forward, please. Not a single foul line. If the parts in front of you are not moving, move around down, please. The parts in front of you are not moving.
The doors open
All the way towards the back, please, side by side.
Here we go.
You don't have to. That's our turn.
Gotcha. Oh, what are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait. Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arm, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
That way I know it's
My phone's dead.
saying saucy stuff.
Yes? Go that way.
For your safety once more, please remember, with your restraints securely fastened, keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your terror children. Para sus seguridad, póngase a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien puesto. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen sus niños de
row 4, everyone take a step back. Take a step back. And you, my friend, are going to go to the very top one, okay?